Worship in a lightning storm. For as lightning flashes and lights up the sky from one side to the other, so will the Son of Man be in his day. Luke 17:24. I was flying at night from Chicago to Minneapolis, almost alone on the plane. The pilot announced that there was a thunderstorm over Lake Michigan and into Wisconsin. He would skirt it to the west to avoid turbulence. As I sat there staring out into the total blackness on the east side of the plane, suddenly the whole sky was brilliant with light, and a cavern of white clouds fell away 4 miles beneath the plane and then vanished. A second later, a mammoth white tunnel of light exploded from north to south across the horizon and again vanished into blackness. Soon the lightning was almost constant, and volcanoes of light burst up out of cloud ravines and from behind distant white mountains of clouds. I sat there shaking my head almost in unbelief. O Lord, if these are but the sparks from the sharpening of your sword, what will be the day of your appearing? And I remembered the words of Christ, as the lightning flashes and lights up the sky from one side to the other, so will the Son of Man be in his day. Luke 17:24. Even now, as I recollect that sight, the word glory is full of feeling for me. I thank God that again and again he has awakened my heart to desire him, to see him, to sit down to the feast of Christian hedonism and worship the King of glory. The banquet hall is very large. Come.